LB-2D Disintegration Tester Instructions. Place the disintegration tester on a flat stable table. Remove the disintegration basket and the beaker before setup. Connect the water inlet and outlet hoses securely. Fill the water tank with purified water up to the max level mark. Add the testing medium into the beaker as required. Place the beaker into the water bath. Insert the temperature sensor into the designated slot. Plug in the power cable and switch on the device. Select your preferred language and enter the operation interface. Set up the test parameters, observation time, point lifting frequency, and temperature. Begin heating the medium. The indicator light will turn on. Take 6 test samples and place them into the disintegration tubes. 1 per tube. Insert the corresponding discs into each tube to hold the samples in place. Wait until the water reaches the preset testing temperature. Reassemble the disintegration basket and secure it in position. Press Run to start the disintegration test. When the set time is reached, a beep will sound to indicate completion. The test ends automatically. Go to the test records page to view data. Review, print, or export the latest test data as needed. Remove and clean the disintegration basket and beaker. Detach the temperature sensor carefully. Power off the device and unplug safely.